What's up, guys? Another night at S1 Build. So we're on the 4th gen. All the Prelude guys, you guys know this car right here. 4th gen, Mugen, everything. Pretty nice car. Genuine JDM right-hand drive car. KSWAP all-wheel drive. Just getting it in the final stages right now. Getting it done up. We got tuner wiring god right here. Gabriel. He's gonna be swapping out.
Yeah, just doing a little bit of things, you know. Started with moving the fuse box in here. That was what we were working on. Got all that settled. Everything kind of plugs and play now. Gonna clean up the wiring to the K Pro. And I mean, the prettiest thing we did so far recently was this here. Just created a harness for outside, tucked it behind the fender. Made a headlight sub harness, the ground, all that good stuff. So we're working on wiring, we're working on getting this thing ready to crank. Get these cars as ready as possible before you go tuning, because everybody thinks you just go from building a car and you go straight to tuning. Well, you know, as we all know, there's a lot of things that have to happen.
Yeah, you have to get it checked over before you go to your tuner, because you might go to tuner and you're gonna waste 4 hours. You gotta pay, like, you have to pay it.
Electrical issues, mechanical issues, fuel leaks. I mean, all that is like, we have to check those boxes. At least the cars that we work on here, everything, number one is safety. Number two is that it works, because if it doesn't work, it's just gonna be a waste of time.
It's not gonna work if it doesn't work.
It's just gonna be a waste of time, like you said, waste of time, waste of resources. So we're trying to minimize that. At the same time, I like to be thorough. I like to know where things are at. Quickly diagnose things. You know, if it does happen, you know, it always happens, you might run into something. It's easy to diagnose. Things are labeled, we know where things are at. We kind of, you know, when we build cars like this, we just want to document and make sure we dot our I's and cross our T's. Make sure everything's on point.
Exactly. I don't know if you guys remember, there used to be a pile of wires right here, and as he said, he took everything out, make everything looking fresh.
Yeah, we kept the AC here, so this is all gonna be, you know, this is the kind of stuff that we were trying to make sure we keep, because at some point the owner does want to put AC. It has an AC compressor, so we got AC pressure sensors, we got the horns, we got ambient temperature sensors. So the interior, we're hoping to keep it as close to stock as possible. As far as the workings of it. Obviously this is a whole custom setup, but we're trying to keep it so everything can be where it's supposed to be, what we need, and at the same time, you know, be able to diagnose it quickly, hopefully.
Exactly.
If any issues arise. So.
And if you guys know, the 4th gen Prelude, even from Japan, didn't come with a K series. And look, we got some JDM stuff. And of course, as someone just came from Japan, as he hold the JDM Japan wheel. For sale, by the way. Is it sold already?
No.
Not for sale?
Going on a car.
Oh, going for a car. Okay. Oh, not for sale. No, that one's cut off. But yeah, guys, stay tuned for this 4th gen. It's already converted. It's already all-wheel drive, right-hand drive. A lot of Mugen stuff on it. Yeah.
So converted to all-wheel drive. It is a real Japanese.
Yeah, real Japanese imported right-hand drive car. Very clean. Paint is immaculate. As you see earlier, we got that the Project U brakes, real Mugen wheels. Pretty sick, man. So stay tuned, guys. We're on this car now. Full force, full 100. We've been touching on it back and forth every now and then, right, Sang? Like,
teamwork.
Yeah. So now we're definitely on it. Owner's happy. Finally free up some time, because, you know, with a shop like this, we may not do manufacturing, but we get really busy and sometimes we don't have the time. But now we have the time, so we're gonna push it through.
Yeah, we're trying to get all the cars out too.
Okay, cool.
Get our own stuff.
Nice. All right, guys, stay tuned. Like, subscribe. We're gonna keep on pushing the content for you as we get them. And as you guys know, most of these cars that come in here, this one you guys will see it started, but most of the cars that come in here, the owners drop the car off for the all-wheel drive kit to be installed, and then they take it. That's why you guys don't see a startup and stuff like this. But for example, the EM1, you guys will see that startup. You know, our personal cars, you'll see that startup. You know, so yeah, like and subscribe. So you got things to the people.
Tell the people. We're gonna have a lot of new products coming out this year.
Yep.
So just stay tuned for that. Just keep watching. So we got a lot in the works right now.
A lot in the works. A lot of innovation.
Got a lot of ideas, and they're coming together.